Next is what happens when there is an intersection between this G omega locus and minus 1 by Kn locus occurs. This is the G omega locus and this one is minus 1 by Kn locus. And the intersection point, this intersection point, the limit cycle occurs. Limit cycle means the self-sustained oscillations. And that is one of the characteristics of the nonlinear system, self-sustained oscillation. And this self-sustained oscillation will occur if there is an intersection between this minus 1 by Kn locus and G omega locus. And here we can see that this is G omega locus and this is the direction in the increasing value direction of omega. And if an observer is standing here, and he can say that this minus 1 by Kn locus is enclosed. So this portion becomes the unstable region, and towards left the region is stable region. And this point is the limit cycle occurs. Then this limit cycle can be either stable limit cycle or unstable limit cycle. If minus 1 by Kn locus travels in the unstable region and it intersects G omega locus to enter into the stable region, then limit cycle corresponding to that intersection point is stable limit cycle. And here we can see that this is the unstable region, and minus 1 by Kn locus traveling through this unstable region and it enters into the stable region at this limit cycle. So this limit cycle is known as stable limit cycle. Then if minus 1 by Kn locus travels in the stable region and intersect G omega locus to enter into the unstable region, then corresponding limit cycle is said to be unstable limit cycle. And here we can see that this is this point. This one is G omega locus. This one is minus 1 by Kn locus and this one is G omega locus in the increasing value of omega. And here we can see that this region is stable region. That is, if an observer is standing here, then the minus 1 by Kn locus is on the left side of this observer. So this portion is stable portion and this portion is unstable portion. And when the minus 1 by Kn locus travels through the stable region and enters into the unstable region, so this point is known as unstable limit cycle. And here there is another example. Here this is G omega locus and this one is minus 1 by Kn locus. This is minus 1 by Kn locus in the increasing value of omega, and this one is G omega locus in the increasing value of omega. And here we can see that this point, there is a limit cycle occurs here, and here also there is one intersection and there is a limit cycle. And at this point, this portion is a stable region and this portion is unstable region. So this minus 1 by Kn locus is traveling through the stable region and it enters into the unstable region at this intersection. So this limit cycle is unstable limit cycle, and here again it is traveling through the unstable region and it enters into the stable region. So this point is known as stable limit cycle.